Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. So here on the SUI chart, the price is still climbing higher step by step, and we are holding above this wave 2 support area for now, which is central because we are tracking a 1-2 setup from the February low. The wave 1 formed a 5-wave move up, wave 2 bottomed there in a wave 2. In a support area for a wave 2 between 288 and 266, and as long as we're holding above that last swing low, the focus can be on higher. I don't really like how it looks, and it is across the sector still a very uncertain environment, but on the shorter time frame those two support areas worked. At least the price reacted to them. Now this is all still not very impulsive price action to the upside. It's getting really messy. Still, SUI, I think, is still one of the more bullish structures or clearer bullish structures, stronger charts, yeah. But it can often take a while. Fake breakouts can happen until a trend truly establishes itself to the upside. And the next move up would be a third of a third wave. And it would be crucial then, obviously, to hold above this last low from the 9th of February at around 286. Any break below 286 will mean that we are probably, I'd say, going to test support in a larger degree wave 4. So at the moment, the idea is that this wave 4 bottomed early in February when we had this larger crypto sell-off. And the wave 4 surely could still be unfolding, especially as long as we don't have a clear breakout above one of these signal lines, right, that we talked about here, $3.90. and then $4.27, in my view, the more important one. So it just leaves the SUI chart vulnerable to one more low, to form one more low, and then 199 is the key support for the overall bullish structure on the larger time frame. So looking at the SUI long-term chart, clearly we talked about the structure overall, and it should be clear that 199 is really the key level that helps us distinguish between bullish and bearish momentum on this chart. You see that in February, the price found support at the 38.2 retracement at 251. And any break below 251, well, you know, it's on the micro level below the last low that I mentioned, would likely lead to a test in a larger wave 4 of that 199 level. This is what we're tracking here. Also here you can see that signal line, which I mentioned on the shorter time frame. If we can get above it, then the price should reach 690 to 850 next. This would be my next ideal upside target range. And on the micro level, even though the price found support here at this last swing low, the move up does look a bit like a 3-wave move. And if this truly was an upside impulse, then it shouldn't morph into some kind of a 3-wave rally. Now you might say, but it doesn't look like 3 waves. Well, look at the internal structure. Yeah. This looks more like 3 waves in A, B, C. But I keep an open mind, and the nearest key level against which we can focus on higher is this swing low that formed on Wednesday the 12th at around $3.09. Now, I find this one more meaningful at 286, but the nearest key level is at $3.09. For now, the price is in a local pullback and could not break above the previous highs, at least not on a sustained basis. And the next objective for the bulls will be a break above that next upside signal line at $3.90. So overall, we remain in a range, but the price is trying to put in higher highs and higher lows. But more work is needed to really confirm that a substantial low has been established. At the moment, we just really talk about very, very small degrees here, and price action is hardly decisive at the moment. So we'll just try to make sense of the structures. So we'll see if the price can now rally higher in a third wave. And if that's the case, then we should see some more aggressive upside movement. If we don't see it, price breaks below the Wednesday low. At the very least, wave 2 is resetting, but probably even a larger wave 4 is unfolding. That's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.